Hi, my name is Carolyn Injoyan from Matrox Video. We are at NAB 2023 showing our XCO3 IP KVM product line. XCO3 lets you work remotely on your computer systems or broadcast gear. You can secure them in a server room and access them from a remote station using our XCO3 receiver appliance. So this is an IP KVM, so it works over a standard 1 gig network. We also support longer distances such as WAN, so wide area networks, as well as open internet. We are showing at NAB two different workflows. The first one is using the multi-monitor capability of our receiver appliance. So you can connect 3 monitors, as you can see here, to one receiver appliance. And instead of switching between systems, you can monitor and visualize 3 different transmitter devices from one remote workspace. And you can control them with one single keyboard and mouse. So as you cross the edge of a display, you take control of the second system. So it's really about improving efficiency and making our users more productive. The second workflow that we have is the top 4K screen that you see here. So again, our receiver appliance is powering one 4K monitor, and you're able to connect to 4 transmitter devices simultaneously and monitor them. Again, with one keyboard and mouse, you're able to control all 4 systems. So you see here the mouse is on system number 1. And as you cross the edge of the tile, you'll take control of the second system and so forth. If you need more information about our product lines, please visit our website, matrox.com. Thank you.